emotions in a healthy manner.
कौन है? कौन है ये बैगों में ग्रोसरी? कौन है ग्रोसरी? चलो चलो
And just become the right person that actually matters. Every day drive my car to my little job, find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? I'm such a drama queen, I'm such a drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make that'll make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired of feeling low and sad and depressed. I gotta move on. La 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 la. Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been one